Are you a teenager or student looking to make some cash online? Well, listen up because this could be the best opportunity you've stumbled upon. Imagine making thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars without needing any prior experience. Intrigued? Keep listening to learn how. So, here's the deal. You're going to leverage Twitter or other social media platforms to earn some serious cash. Forget about needing followers or a personal brand. This method is all about simplicity and results. By leveraging existing YouTube content and affiliate marketing, you can start earning commissions for products you promote. And the best part, you don't even need to spend a cent. Now, you might be wondering, why Twitter? Well, unlike other social media platforms that require significant investment and experience, Twitter offers a straightforward approach. You remain anonymous, simply copy-pasting pre-made content and earning commissions for each sale. With the potential to post multiple times a day, your earning potential skyrockets. Plus, by directing traffic to free YouTube videos, you're not pressuring anyone to make a purchase, fostering trust and increasing conversions. So, if you want to know how to do this step by step, then make sure to watch till the end. Step 1. So, first things first, you are going to hop on this platform you've definitely heard of, Twitter or X. Just type in twitter.com or x.com in your browser and hit enter. Then you're going to create an account. Don't sweat it if you don't have followers or if you're unfamiliar with it. None of that matters. Just get that account set up. That's your very first step. Okay, so you don't want to show your face on camera or don't have the money or time to build your own personal brand. No worries, I've got you covered. Over the years, some YouTube channels have posted tons of videos about online businesses, finance, and making money online. For example, Make Money Matt, Dave Nick, Baddie in Business, etc. The good news? You get to benefit from all their hard work. You can use their videos to start making money online too. Let me walk you through how easy it is. Alright, let's break this down. You're here to learn how to make money online, right? Good. So, focus and ignore the distractions. Keep your eyes here. We're discussing how you can use videos that are already available to make your own cash. Don't get sidetracked by other videos popping up. Stay right here. Trust me, it's worth it. We'll walk through exactly how this whole thing works. So, put your phone down, ignore those tempting thumbnails, and let's get into the fundamentals of making money online. Step 2. Alright, check this out. Do you remember those channels I mentioned on YouTube? Well, if you pay attention, you'll notice that they're always talking about these online business things and some merchandise products. Now, chill. You don't have to use even a coin out of your wallet. You may be a cashless teen or don't want to risk cashing in. But here's the deal. You can actually make money promoting these products. Just head over to their affiliate sites. For example, onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate from Dave Nick channel. Hit that join now button, write in your name and email, and boom, you're on your way to getting paid for spreading the word. Easy peasy, right? Now that you've probably finished signing up, you'll get an email from them. Just open it up and click on Get Started, then set up a password for your account. Then hit Continue. Now, it's time to sort out how you'll get paid. If you don't have a PayPal yet, just click on Complete this step later. Next, on the left side, find Links and Resources. Click there and boom, your special affiliate links are waiting for you. Copy them and start spreading the word about the awesome stuff you're promoting. Easy peasy. Step 3. It's time to create content. Imagine this. You share a cool product with a friend, and if they buy it, you make some cash. But here's something even cooler. Those YouTube channels I mentioned earlier did all the heavy lifting for you. Now, you can just grab their videos from their YouTube channel. Just click Share, copy the YouTube videos link, then head to the affiliate dashboard. Paste the link there and hit Enter. And voila, you get a special affiliate link. This link is what you need to earn money. It has your unique code, different from the others. There's a clever thing called a cookie that tracks clicks. So, if someone watches the video you shared and clicks the link in the description, you earn a juicy commission of up to 50% on the product they buy. Let's say the product costs $1,000. That means you pocket up to $500 with each sale. Sweet deal, right? And now you've got these awesome videos ready to share, right? Well, it's time to post on social media. You know, the ones where you talk about cool stuff and tell people about some neat products they should try out? Well, here's the deal. After folks watch your videos, they'll want to sign up for those products you're talking about. Here's how you make it happen. First, head over to whatever channel you choose. Pick a video you like, click the share button and copy link. Then go to youtubetranscript.com and paste that link there. Bam! You've got a full transcript of the video, word for word. Now, pay attention. Grab that transcript and make some tweaks. Change the stuff in those brackets to match the title of the video. For example, if the video is about 16 work-from-home jobs for teenagers, put that title in there. Next up, paste the whole transcript in the right spot. Are you still with me or have you wandered off to TikTok? Focus, my friend. Once that's done, ChatGPT will whip up a Twitter thread for you. Copy the title of the thread, add some fun emojis if you want, then head back to Twitter. Hit that post button, paste the title, and click the plus button to add your thread. Now, start copy-pasting those juicy words. Just wait for those likes and shares to roll in. Step 4. Now, let's talk about making your content super engaging. First off, if you spot any little errors in your text, like a misspelled word or something, just fix it up. Then you're gonna grab parts of the video and paste them. Keep doing that until you've got all the juicy bits in place. Next, here's a cool trick. You can drop a link to your full video in each thread, so people can watch the whole thing if they want. Just write something like, check out the full tutorial on YouTube, and bam, you're set. Just make sure the link works by giving it a click yourself. If it takes you to YouTube, you're golden. But wait, long links are kinda ugly, right? No worries, head over to bit.ly.com, paste in your long link and hit create. Voila, you've got yourself a nice short link to share. Now, copy and paste your text into the designated area. Don't forget to proofread carefully for any mistakes. YouTube transcripts can have errors and ChatGPT might misspell words. Make sure everything is accurate. Also, include relevant keywords to boost your visibility on Twitter. Even if you don't have any followers yet, you can still attract views and traffic. Remember, you're not selling anything right away. You're directing people to a free YouTube video where they gain valuable insights. By providing free content, you're building trust with your audience, increasing the likelihood of them clicking the link and subscribing. This method isn't just a theory, it's a proven strategy that puts cash in your pockets daily. With no upfront costs or experience needed, it's the ultimate work-from-home gig for teens and beginners. Stay persistent and consistent and you'll see the results roll in. Don't get bogged down by expensive ventures like dropshipping or SMMA. Instead, leverage the power of anonymity and affiliate marketing to earn commissions effortlessly. And remember, success here lies in consistency and volume, so keep those posts coming and watch your earnings grow. Stay tuned for similar videos like this.